Want to learn how to create a fur text effect with the Procreate app? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm gonna share with you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share with you the best ways for you to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. This is one of the tutorials of the first series for Procreate. In the previous tutorials, I've shared with you how to create a Fur Procreate brush. We've used then that brush to create a little furry monster. And now in this tutorial, I'm gonna share with you how to create a fur text in Procreate. If you haven't and would like to watch the previous tutorials or grab this fur brush, the links to access it are in the description below. Let's create a fur text effect with the Procreate app. Let's open the Procreate app. I'm using a screen size canvas and this greenish color, and I'm going to use a yellow to create our word, our furry word. So I'm going to add some texts. I'm going to click on add text and write the word whoa. Now I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna increase this like this. I'm gonna place it over here. I'm gonna go to my layers and click on rasterize, and I'm gonna drop this color over here to fill my O. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reduce the opacity of this one a little bit just to see what I'm doing, and I'm gonna add a new layer. And with my fur brush, I'm gonna go over my letter like this. So this is our first letter. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna alpha lock it and I'm gonna select a reddish color. Just gonna go over it to add some texture to it. Like this. Okay, and now on top of it, I'm gonna add a new layer. Click on clipping mask, and I'm gonna select the color pure black. I'm gonna change this mode to overlay, and I'm gonna add a little bit of shadows here and here. And here and here, and now I'm gonna add a bit of light like this, and I'm gonna repeat the same process for my letter O. So on a different layer, I'm gonna, with my color yellow and my brush, I'm gonna draw a circle like this and fill this out. Now I'm gonna alpha lock it with my reddish color. I'm gonna add some texture to it. Add a new layer on top of it, create a clipping mask and change the mode to overlay. Select the color pure black like this, and let's add a little bit of a darkness to it. And some light. Like this. And now I'm gonna add a new layer, select the color pure black. With the technical pen, I'm gonna draw a cute eye like this. Hold and fill the color. Actually, I'm gonna change the color to white. Gonna resize it, place it like this. Gonna duplicate this layer and the one underneath, select the color black. Tap, hold and drag. I'm gonna add some Gaussian blur like this. On top of my eye, I'm gonna add a new layer. Gonna add a clipping mask, and with the soft brush selected, gonna select this dark green
add a little bit of a darker tone like this. And now I'm gonna duplicate this layer. I'm gonna clear what's in it. I'm gonna change this mode to overlay with a darker color selected. Let's add some shadow like this and some highlights like this. On top of it, add a new layer, select the color pure black. Let's draw a circle like this, and on top of it, let's add a layer. Click on clipping mask. Let's select the color pure white and create 2 dots like this. Now Gaussian blur and blur this a little bit. For our final layer, the W, we can just duplicate this layer. So what we will do is select the W. Actually, we can group it, duplicate the group, select, and move it like this. Now we are gonna create some cute shadow at the very top of our work. We are gonna add a layer, select the color pure black. With the technical pen, draw like this and fill the shape. Now we want to adjust the shape, so we click here on select, freedom, place it like this. Now we are gonna add some Gaussian blur and we are gonna blur this to 20%. Replace it. And there you go. We've just created a furry wow text effect.
And we are done. We have just created a fur text effect using the Procreate app. The next tutorial is a bonus one where I'm gonna share with you how to create a geometric fur effect using the Procreate app. If you like fur brushes, make sure to check out my full Fur and Hair Procreate Brush set, or you can just grab a sample of this set. A link to access it is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next tutorial, happy drills and illustrations!